Space tourism began with a dream. This dream became reality in 2001. Dennis Tito, an American businessman, was the first space tourist. He paid $20 million for a ticket to space. Tito flew to the International Space Station on a Russian Soyuz spacecraft. This marked a new era in space travel. He experienced microgravity and viewed Earth from space. His journey inspired many. It showed that space tourism was possible. This paved the way for future private space travelers. Following Tito, other wealthy individuals followed. They included Mark Shuttleworth and Charles Simonyi. These early space tourists were pioneers. They helped fund and promote the idea of commercial space travel. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin took notice, aiming to make space travel more affordable.
Rockets are essential for space travel. They must achieve escape velocity. That's about 25,000 miles per hour. Powerful engines burn fuel quickly. This propels the rocket upwards. The process starts on the launch pad. As it ascends, it sheds parts. Once in space, it enters orbit.
Traditional rockets were single-use. After launch, they were discarded. This made space travel expensive. However, reusable rocket technology changed this. Companies like SpaceX developed rockets that can land back on Earth. This innovation reduced costs significantly. Reusable rockets work by returning safely to the ground. After delivering their payload, they descend. They use thrusters and landing legs to touch down gently. This process is complex, but vital. It means rockets can be refurbished and launched again. This technology has many benefits. First, it makes space travel cheaper. Lower costs mean more people can afford to go to space. Second, it is environmentally friendly. Reusing rockets reduces waste. Finally, it speeds up the development of space missions.
Section 4. The experience of microgravity and its effects on the human body. Microgravity is a unique aspect of space travel. In space, gravity is much weaker, creating a sensation of weightlessness. Space tourists float inside the spacecraft. This experience is both thrilling and challenging. In microgravity, everyday tasks are different. Eating, drinking, and sleeping require adjustments. For example, food must be carefully packaged. Water behaves differently, forming floating droplets. Sleeping bags are often attached to walls to prevent drifting. However, microgravity also affects the human body. Muscles and bones can weaken because they are not used as much. Astronauts exercise regularly to counteract this.
Section 5. The re-entry process and safety measures. Returning to Earth is a critical part of space travel. The re-entry process involves high speeds and heat. Spacecraft enter Earth's atmosphere at thousands of miles per hour. Friction with the air generates intense heat. Without proper measures, this could destroy the spacecraft. Heat shields are essential for protection. They absorb and dissipate heat. These shields are made from special materials that can withstand temperatures of up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Parachutes and landing systems are also crucial. Once the spacecraft slows down, parachutes deploy to help further reduce speed. These systems ensure the safety of the crew and passengers.
Future prospects of space tourism. The future of space tourism is bright. Companies are planning new ventures. Space hotels are one exciting possibility. These orbiting hotels would offer unique experiences. Missions to the Moon and Mars are also on the horizon. SpaceX and other companies are developing spacecraft. Space tourism is becoming a reality.